Hi children, in previous class we have discussed about nouns used as adjectives, right? Today we are going to do some activities from workbook regarding nouns used as adjectives. Okay, see, I request all of you to open your workbook page number 8 and do this activity along with me. Okay. See, nouns used as adjectives. Use the nouns from the bracket as adjectives to fill in the blanks. Okay. Nouns. Use nouns from the brackets as adjectives to fill in the blanks. Okay. Here we have to fill the blanks by using the correct noun which is given in the bracket. Two nouns are given in each sentences. Two options are there. Two options are there. We have to find the correct noun. We have to find the correct noun which is used as adjectives. Okay, and fill it in the blanks. Okay, first one. She was scared of walking onto the dash balcony. She was scared of walking onto the dash balcony. Two options are given there. What are those? Paper and glass. Which is the correct adjective, correct noun we can use as adjective? See, paper balcony or glass balcony? Glass balcony, that is right. Correct. Paper balcony, it is impossible, right? It is glass balcony. She was scared of walking onto the glass balcony. First answer is glass. Glass balcony. Okay, next one. My mother likes to use dash light in the kitchen. My mother likes to use dash light in the kitchen. Options are there. Black or white. Black, white. Two options are there. Black light, it is not the answer, right? White light. That is right. Okay, white. Second answer is white. My mother likes to use white light in the kitchen. Okay, next one. Please keep the raincoat in the dash closet. Please keep the raincoat in the dash closet. Bottle and hall. Two options are given there. Bottle closet. Is it there? Bottle closet? No. Hall closet it is there. Right. Hall closet. What is the answer? Hall. Please keep the raincoat in the hall closet. Answer is hall. H-A-L-L. Hall. That is the answer. Next one. Don't spill dash juice on the couch. Don't spill dash juice on the couch. What are the options given there? Glass and orange. Is there glass juice? No. Orange juice is there. Right. See. Don't spill orange juice on the couch. Answer is orange. Okay. Orange. Answer is orange. Orange juice on the couch. Next. I need dash towels to clean up the mess. I need dash towels to clean up the mess. Two options are there. Paper and glass. Right. Paper and glass. Paper towels or glass towels. Is there glass towels? No. Paper towels are there. Right. We use paper towels to clean the mess. Right. See. I need paper towels to clean the mess. Answer is paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. I need paper towels to clean the mess. And next one. Throw the dash cap in the dustbin. Throw the dash cap in the dustbin. Car cap is there. Huh? No. Car cap or bottle cap. Two options are there. Car and bottle. What is the right answer? Bottle cap. We throw the bottle cap in the dustbin, right? Don't throw the bottle cap in the dustbin. Bottle cap. Okay, bottle. Bottle is the right answer. Bottle. B-O-O-T-L-E. Bottle. Bottle cap. Next, the dash engine broke down. Cycle engine or car engine. Two options are given there, cycle and car. Is there engine for cycle? No, car engine. Right. The car engine broke down. What is the answer? Car. Car is the answer. Okay. See here. First answer, glass, white, hall, orange, paper, bottle and car. See, these words are nouns. These words are nouns, and these words in those sentences, these words used as adjectives. It means these nouns describe another nouns. Right. Here glass describe, in first sentence she was scared of walking onto the glass balcony. Glass balcony. Here the word glass describe the balcony. The glass the balcony is made up of glass. Here the word glass is describe the another noun balcony. So we can say this word glass here used as an adjective. Like the same. Here white, it is a color of a name. It is a noun. And here in second sentence, my mother likes to use white light in the kitchen. Here the word white is describing the another noun light. Light. So here we used this noun white. We used as a noun, a adjective. It describe another noun light. Like the same in all the sentence, those answers glass, white, hall, orange, paper, bottle and car. Those words describes another noun. That is why these nouns we can say in those sentence these words, these nouns used as an adjective. Okay. Next, second activity, what is there? Use a noun from column A as an adjective to describe a noun in column B and write it in the blanks on the side. One has been done for you. See, one is we have to write the correct adjective. We have to find the correct adjective for a noun. Okay, in column A, what is there? Column A as an adjective. Column A, adjective nouns are there and adjectives are there. Column B, nouns they have given. We have to find the find the correct nouns for each adjectives. Okay, rock. First one is done there. Rock garden. Rock garden. First one is there. And black. Black cloth, diet, brick, flash, chocolate, shoes. Those nouns are given as adjective. And in column B, cards, cake, wall, garden, rack, curtain, coke, beauty. Those words given those words are nouns. You have to write you have to select correct noun for each adjectives. Okay, then write it in the space given there. And this is your homework. Second activity, this is your homework. Do it correctly and take a picture and send to me. This is also this answer I will send along with this video. This page complete it and take a photo and send to me. 2 activities you have to do. Okay.